What's up, guys? And I just woke up. Today we'll be reacting to some more EAS Alarms animated. I decided to restore the original audio back from that original video, so here we go. Who's that? There's Costa Rica. You have like one tooth like Patrick Star. USA. No gas, sorry. Montana's up next. Are you speaking in Morse code? That's Nauru, Anguilla, and Tunisia. Wow. It sounds like a Mario game. Costa Rica is up next. San Jose. Oh, Portugal's swearing. Oh, poor Dominican Republic of the Congo. Man, Czech Republic made the United States of America young, I guess. No, we have like this New Jersey thing. There's Qatar. And he was like, he stepped on a Lego brick. San Marino. Where did he go? I can still hear it. What is that? I don't even explain. Who is that flag? It's Egypt. It's the same thing. Damn it. Screw you, United States. Okay. I don't like the Egypt one. Because it takes longer. This is why I never should go to Ohio like this. It features a bomb scare as well. Why are you shaking? Oh my god. That's Senegal again. What? Yes, you need to stop speaking in Morse code. This one sounds like an awful drill. Oh my god, this is another Ohio EAS alarm. And it's absolutely crazy. What is Malawi doing? Pressing one of those buttons. Rwanda. Okay, this is way too scary. I don't think I can take it anymore. Alright, we're back. And we got Ukraine. Doing his original EES alarm. Louisiana. Speaking at the microphone. Or maybe in Five Nights at Freddy's free moment, I guess. Was that Springtrap? I see it! Oh, it's Kuwait. Starting to become extremely crazy. Or maybe he's like abstracted. Syria. And then Yugoslavia is screaming. Syria appeared out of nowhere with big eyes. Sorry, I had gas. This text was written by the United States. I don't know who are these two. This one looks like the USSR. There's two Saudi Arabias and Palau, who's playing dead. New Zealand. This is what... I live in this country, you know that? That's the lullaby music box sound effect. It was used in Nepal and Cuba. Why that face? It looks similar to Malaysia from 1942. Laos. You're spinning in 360. No, actually, you're rotating 360. Suddenly became Norway for a reason. Burundi. Republic of Congo is shaking, probably because to indicate that his phone is ringing or something. However, he seems to have a very smile. It fades to black. It was fading to red, but now it fades to black. And there's an explosion. Oh my god! That was a jump. Damn it, you jump scared me, bro. That's on Toronto. Oh, it's Central African Republic. It's, for some reason, turned into a car. This is completely unrecognized. Nigeria was like hitting... Was that Italy or Nigeria? It sounds like the Canadian ES alarm again. Was that a bomb? Oh no. Sorry. This isn't longer than the last one. I couldn't find enough submissions, so I just used the ones for everyone. Give me some information. Give me some more information, please. Alright. Looks like I'm done with Series 2 of the ES Alarms Animated Full Collection. It was first premiered on February 4th, but now it's February 5th. So, it was completed on February 5th, so now I'm going to upload the episode right now. It's just because I just woke up.